So, my bride ready? I'm still gonna repeat. That what you're doing is illegal. Come on, Pastor. Me ain't no boat no say if my divorce Sharon shall get off of my shit. If you get my daughter in a trouble, watch what me I'm gonna do you. You're not gonna like it. No worry, man, Pastor. Nothing not gonna happen to your daughter. She'll go good.
Come on, Annie, can we leave now, no? Hold on, man. So who you text now? She in from my class. Saying that they with sharp man. Look from when I stop chat to the idiot boy there. Can we hurry up and buy the food? So you can stop text man now? May I get the money you go buy it? Food smell really good, Anthony. So, you still vexed with me? Look for me now. From I get pregnant, so my breasts them get big. Close your mouth, man. I know me look good. Yo, Octavia, easy no man. Home to you. You know, when you're pregnant, you're extra honey. I know me act away from what you Anthony, but just know some I love you. Octavia, I'm ever want, I'll just be there for you. You want to be baby. I'm happy to see you there for you. I'm love you. Seeing that it's just us here, why don't you kiss your bride and get it over with? What sharp man be mad at we are? Look, girl, you have some nerve to call off my phone and threaten my pitney life. What the hell you talk about? I don't even have your number. Man, get sick and tired of your call my phone, you know. Look here, girl, I'm gonna chat back to you, man, alright? You think anybody want him? You just come like some pest in my life. And me coming like some pest in your life? Are your man sleep with me, you know? I don't know why one little girl can't take up on a book and stop worrying about a man. Am I fault you all no good? That's why your man come and PH me, eh? Am I fault that? May I teach you a lesson, little girl? You alright? Oh, you don't want to watch a movie? Rick, I was wondering if I could stay here with you for a little while. Of course, man. You don't have to worry, I'll help you out with selling fruit and everything. I won't be a burden. Don't worry about nothing, man. I really, really love if you stay. I'm not gonna lie. Love local company and everything. Thank you so much, Rick. Really appreciate it. No, we can fuck as much as we want. That'll be the plus side to everything. I'm not gonna lie. So why you don't want to stay home? Something wrong with you one day there or something? Just a girl sick and tired of him, you know? I just don't want to around him no more. Alright, no problem with me. This is a really great news for me though. I'm really love for you to come live with me permanently. You serious? Yeah, man, of course, me serious. Well, like, if you divorce a boy that to man, me not gonna lie. You deserve way better than him, Shireen. Way better. But I love to have a family with you. You're really, really serious about that, Rick? Of course, I'm serious about that breed, you. Come on, rub your back. Yo, Aisha, I need to talk to you, man. What you doing here? Man, I tell you if I stop coming my yardie, if the neighbor them see me, I'll get in a big trouble with my granny, you know. Come on, man, Aisha, you're 18. You think that mean nothing? Me living in a woman yard, me have to follow her rules them. You think me wanna live a road? Come on, man, Aisha, I wanna see you. I don't wanna go through this anymore. You're all I think about every single day. Like, what do you expect me to do? Me expect you to listen to me and stay away. That's all I'm asking you to do, okay, Andy? No, I can't stay away from you. Why can't you understand that? One nice view, don't it? Warm to you. What you make up your face for? I just expect for have one nicer wedding than the one there with more people, you know? Why it matter to you how much people wanted, eh? Just me and you. That's good. Why you always have to find a problem with everything? Well, when most people get married, it's a big wedding. In no matter what. In no matter how much people wanted it. All that matters is that me and you love each other. But Daddy, even here, it's so deserted. You know how expensive the place here is? I just 3 people alone can come rent here, so I want to you. You're supposed to enjoy your honeymoon and you miserable up yourself. Sorry for disturb, Una, but me the maid, and if you need anything, you can contact me, alright? What pretty blue eyes you have. Them there your eye? Thank you, sir. Yes, them is my eye color. But what you have to we have pretty eye. That weird, don't it? Oh, you're one prettier man. Never see somebody with such blue eyes and them not white. Nah, man, actually my grandfather did white. That's why my eye color come out, so, you know. But thanks anyways, and your eyes look nice too. But me have to get back to work or me I get in trouble with the boss, alright? Later. So, it's our honeymoon and you're flirting with other... Yo, easy no Sherry. I want to you. I never have flirt with nobody. You see the girl eye color nice. Well, you don't have to tell her, sir, eye color nice. I want to you. How they with you? Eh? And I'm there with you. She want to look over ugly girl. Daddy, just stop the foolishness, okay? You know I love you more than anything. I just want to have a little fun, okay? Are you Anthony Bearings? Yeah, that's me. Which part Annie there? My daughter Annie. She's in critical care. Please follow me if you want to see her. Anthony, go on by yourself, man. Alright? I'm gonna be yes, I'm gonna be okay. Yo, doctor, I want to her face. Why all them bandages upon her face? It was an acid attack. Witnesses say one woman threw acid in her face after an argument. I can't understand this. Why somebody don't understand it? I'm not sure. but the police are looking into it. I will give it to her in a moment. Dede, please call me back, cause from when me I try reach him, I can't get you. Please call me back.